Hi, I'm Greg Brown.
I'm David Ivy, and this is Dynamic Discussions.
This is another installment in a weekly video series we're bringing you about fall protection products and how to use them. This week's question is from Jeff. How often do my self-retracting lifelines need to be recertified?
Here at Malta Dynamics, we do not require you to send back your self-retracting lifelines to be recertified. Back in the past, you were required to send them back to the manufacturer and they would pop them open, take a look at them, and then recertify them. We just require you to inspect them regularly.
An inspection by a competent person that's deemed by your employer. It is a thorough process where you check every piece, you check all the working mechanisms of the self-retracting lifeline, and keep that on record. And that is at least annually unless otherwise designated.
On top of your competent person inspection, you should be inspecting these before each use. We do have inspection forms available on our website, so you can download those and use them for your pre-use inspections every time, and then make sure you document those.